The money printing machine is on.
Where
It's
are
up
we at
to
now?
50 around that.
50 profit?
50 profit. Yeah.
This is like in the last 3 months or so, no?
Yeah. Yeah, basically.
How much is that in GMV? Like total?
Total over 200. Definitely over
Wow.
200. We went
Wow.
from 4K first week in September. Second week, doubled that. 20,000 in profit in September. Yeah. What made us make money back to back to back and make more money over time was
Pepe told me about it. I like give me a full overview. What the fuck is going on?
it's crazy, right? Yeah, the money printing machine is on. Definitely. Since the last time we spoke, bro, when was the last update? I think like 15K or something.
Yeah, 15K profit, something like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, where
Let's
are we at
update.
now?
We're probably at like 50 around that.
50 profit?
50 profit. Yeah. Like
Wait, this is like in the last 3 months or so, no?
yeah. Yeah, basically 3.5. So from August.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
Wow. So much pressure on you guys with all the other stuff. It was perfect timing, no?
Yeah. I'm telling you, God's timing for real, for real.
Actually. So okay, so what happened? Give me a full breakdown.
Essentially, what happened, we scaled up with few more accounts over the past few months,
Yeah.
but then the typical TikTok shop affiliate stuff happened to us as well. We got banned after banned after banned account. Then we went over to also buy accounts from people on Facebook. We got scammed there. Then we went over to TikTok shop suppliers, but they didn't have German accounts. So we grew our own accounts, but also bought a few. But essentially, they all got banned after like 1 to 2 weeks, unfortunately. So we managed to have like three accounts over the past, I think it was 3 months, right? 2 to 3 months, we only had three accounts. We just kept posting. We went up in revenue, went up in GMV profit as well. Yeah. And then one day we opened our app, our TikTok shop affiliate app, and we just banned all on all accounts, bro.
Oh,
It was insane. Even our main accounts were banned.
wow.
But yeah, we can get into that as well. Yeah, that was September-ish. In the middle of September, everything was moving so good. Like two accounts, we had like 8K in a week. Crazy momentum, really. That was
8K
crazy.
profit in a week?
8K profit. We
Wow.
went from 4K first week in September, second week doubled that, and then third week we got banned on all our accounts. It was just like a
But
momentum.
you were able to get the money, right? It was not, the money was not gone. Yeah.
That was
Yeah,
good.
good. And then how did you recover from there?
We don't give up. Yeah. We bought accounts. They got banned too, but we just tried. Actually, we got one account back from the ban wave in that third week of September, and that was one of our main accounts, which was good because this account was not bought, like not organically grown in Pakistan or wherever. That is why we got it back because we haven't had good experience so far with buying accounts. All of them got banned, so having that one account that carried us like for real, and we just continued to post there, and that was the main driver for us securing like 20,000 in profit in September. Yeah.
This is actually crazy. Like, I don't know how much you talked about this whole like other drama in public about the like money you owe because of the tax and all that shit. But it was literally within the deadline. Like you had to pay money to the government, and if you wouldn't have this profit, you wouldn't be able to pay that.
Yep. Yeah, that's a different talk for another day. It's like, sheesh.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the yeah. Next time we're gonna cover all that. But yeah, it's
Okay, okay. So not here. Yeah, but insane. Actually insane recovery. 50K profit. Is this more than you ever did with anything? Is this top? Or did you make more with anything ever before?
With organic, yeah, but the span compared to the span that we did organic with, definitely
No,
on
in
the
three, yeah, in a 3 month period, I mean.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah. Yeah, going from a 15K month to a 20K month is like we never had like back to back and even more profit the next month. We never had that. Yeah. So
Yes, yes. How much is that in GMV? Like total?
Total over 200, definitely. Over 200.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Dude, it's time to start your own brand soon. Like genuinely, I think that that's going to be the next move. Do another like 50K profit, and then we can cook something up. I think it's gonna make a lot of sense. You have your own kind of unique style of doing things. Obviously, you're not fully in the whole AI space. You're doing a lot of like UGC face content. Are you doing any AI content, or is it everything fully just UGC, or do you also have like a mix between UGC and AI videos as well?
So far we only do face content. Maybe we'll consider AI as in now because
Yeah.
some stuff has changed, but yeah, as of now we just have been doing like face content.
And was there any like new specific tactics or things you did, or was it just volume and like nothing new specifically here?
I think a mix of both. So we increased our posting frequency. We posted, I think, 2 times the amount that we normally posted.
We had two at the start, so we just upped it to four then.
What made us make money back to back to back and make more money over time was us not only making and working on one concept, because we had one working concept for a product, but what made it convert consistently was us optimizing the winning concept and then deriving another winning concept from that concept. So we
Mhm.
combined a whole bunch of videos, tested a whole bunch of hooks, and then we managed to get a new winning concept, which we then drove for the next few months. So a mix of both
Yeah.
volume and new concepts.
So basically what you do is like when something works, you do the same video, but better with new elements or new, like you copy 80% of yourself and then change 20%. That's basically what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had
Yeah.
that experience from organic dropshipping, so that carried
Yes,
over.
yes. No, for sure, for sure. Like most people do that with not only their own content, but like with other people's content, like just taking 80% and improving 20%. But it's good that you do it with your own content as well, because it's just like, okay, the ones would work the best for you with your face, like it worked already. How many products is all of this? Did you have few products? Is it only one or?
We actually tested a lot of products in this time,
A lot of
but
supplements.
yeah, a lot of supplements, like 90% supplements. And that was kind of the main driver of the sales.
Mhm.
Maybe four main products that drove a lot of sales from these
Yeah.
200K, yeah. Four products.
Did you see any patterns in the products? Like, okay, it's all supplements, but what did the best for you in general?
There was a mix. Like we did a lot of money. Like the most GMV we did was with a pillow, but we
Mhm.
didn't make a lot of commissions with it. We had like 20%.
Yeah.
So the highest commission product was a supplement.
It was like a deep load supplement.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you guys film videos all day right now, or how's your schedule currently?
Basically all day, right? All day, every day. Stand up, wake up, do the work. Like with
Mhm.
face content, is some difficulty with just getting up every single day, especially doing face content and just performing because it's
Yeah.
your face, your facial
Yes.
expressions. You got
Yes.
to be present and you got to give your best and be like high energy 24/7. So that's kind of, yeah, difficult. But
No, for sure, for sure. It has its own set of challenges. And we've seen in general, if you do face content in a smaller country like Germany, you can crush. You can crush. Well, most of it was still Germany, right? You didn't switch to US, or you did?
oh,
Yeah, all Germany. It's just insane how fresh the whole thing is in Germany, and also like we've seen the same thing in Italy, but especially Germany is really good because the buying power is also high on top, and it's
Mhm.
also all new. What was your general experience with like putting your face out there? Or did you feel like weird about doing content like that in comparison to dropshipping or no?
It was definitely at the start. It was we had to get used to it for sure. In the beginning, of course, we thought about how people are gonna like see us and view us and look at us
Mhm.
in a different way, since people don't like TikTok Shop affiliate videos that much.
they don't, they don't.
They pretty much hate them. And yeah, we were kind of like at the start, we knew what we're getting into. So after a few videos getting into it, we adapted, and now at this point, it's like we don't even care anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's whatever. We just post products and post for products that we also can identify with, not just any
Yep.
trash
Yeah,
product.
yeah.
You posted a lot of content, you had a lot of accounts, some got banned, some didn't. Walk me through what kind of patterns you saw and what content does get banned, what the issues were, and how you kind of came back from that.
the pattern that we saw over the past few months was pretty obvious. So in the beginning, since TikTok Shop in Germany wasn't it was fairly new, videos weren't getting a ton of violations. You could post about a supplement. You could even say words like fat or Botox and stuff, but it would be pushed out and you wouldn't get banned for that or you wouldn't catch a violation. But through the months after TikTok Shop in Germany also adapted, you also now get a what's it called? A TikTok Shop score where you get points for every violation, but that wasn't the case a few months ago. So that changed. So nowadays, when you say words like I said already, you might as well not use them anymore because they are most likely are gonna get banned. And then the other thing is they also cracked down on supplements like
Yeah.
crazy. You can't even almost promote it anymore. So that's a little bit harder now. You have to maneuver around making a health claim and stuff. And yeah, that's a little bit harder nowadays compared to a few months ago.
In the bigger picture, it's probably a good thing because everything which TikTok's like stops you from doing is something which is shady anyways. So like in the long run, to just not get in trouble overall, it's kind of good to understand all of these like things where health claims and stuff like that, you have to be super careful. Like everything which is like on the edge, if it gets banned, then your chances of having any other issues with legality are basically out. I'm pretty sure it's a good thing that like in general the whole space is moving into a very like whitehead direction and not like shady stuff.
This is something that is kind of a bottleneck in this whole TikTok shop game is the bans, the violations. Because sometimes TikTok has just mood swings and just bans your videos or bans your whole account, even though you have technically not done something wrong. And organically growing your account takes long. Buying accounts, yeah, you know what I mean? So it's like that is a huge bottleneck for this whole game.
Face
But
content.
for sure, but in my opinion, as usual, it's the best thing which could have possibly
Yeah.
happened. Like if there would be not this exact issue, there would be 90% more people doing it, and this would like just crush the whole industry. So I think overall it's good because like imagine how frustrating, like you guys know how frustrating it is to get banned and to have all of that. Imagine you make videos and you don't even make that much money, and then you still get banned all the time. And you're like, all right, you know what? Like, I'm even if I get over this ban shit, I'm still not making money. So I have to like, it's not, I think it like just detracts like a lot of people from even getting started with it. So it's
Yeah.
fine. Like in my opinion, the whole strategy is too OP anyways, and it had to be nerfed somehow, right? Like something had to be bad about it. Yeah. So I think it's a good thing. What's the plan for you guys for the next like 6 months?
As you already said in the beginning, like we just really want to make a little bit more cash so that we can just start a TikTok brand
Yeah.
and get off this filming videos every single day. I mean, it's cool we make money with it, but I mean, there are other cool sources to make money. So yeah, we definitely take those and we just continue with what we are doing as long as it brings money, as
Yeah.
long as we have to do it. So that's probably the plan.
Yeah.
100%, 100%. Like we've seen how crazy it also is to just own a TikTok shop brand if you have the cash flow for it. If everything like works out, it's actually ridiculous. I don't know if you have talked to like Tomas recently or Pepe obviously as well, but like
Yeah.
yeah, it's actually insane. Like everyone who within the program starts a brand, not a single person yet didn't cross six figures in the first month. Like in first month, it's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous because if you have good creators, which we can provide, you can literally just scale instantly. Like there's no, if you have a good product and good creators, you guys know how crazy it is. And imagine having
Yeah.
10 people like you do it every single day. It's just like it goes crazy. And then you kind of are 50-50 partners, not with one creator, but with all of them. So it's insane. It's definitely something which you guys have to get into as soon as possible. And in general, like it makes me kind of anxious how good this opportunity is because I don't know how long it's gonna last. Like right now, it's super, super, super good, and it's just like if you make good content, if you have backup accounts, if you have enough money to have enough accounts, it's like you can just print. The main problem I see is just okay, how long is this gonna last? How long are gonna people are gonna be able to make money with this? Because something has to change. It's too easy right now. Like it's literally like actually too easy. The only problem people have are these violations and bans and accounts. That's literally the only thing. If you would have infinite accounts, you would make just very, very consistent money every single month. No question about it. So
Right.
it's like the only thing which is like kind of missing for most people is making good content. And I think there's going to be a very strict ban wave at some point, which is just going to ban so much stuff. I think a lot of AI content is going to get banned. I think a lot of like supplement stuff is going to get banned. I think it's going to get significantly worse over the next, I don't know, like year, maybe 2 years. But it's too crazy right now. Like it's actually too crazy right now. So let's actually see where the whole space is gonna move. Obviously, some of your accounts got banned, but maybe you can show a few which are still kind of alive or something,
Yeah,
for people to see
definitely.
it's real.
Ain't no fake around here, man.
He's 112K profit. Here you can see it right here.
Yes.
That's one account for the month of September.
Okay,
Yeah,
and this is the second
This is
account.
like it.
this is the second account you can see here.
Yeah, it's the same time frame, right?
Yes, sir. Same time frame.
Yeah. And then you have a bunch of other accounts. We can maybe put them later on screen with editing.
Yeah.
But yeah, insane actually that you guys made 50K over the last few months and pure profit. These 50K, they also contain retainers. So you guys have gotten retainers from brands. For people to understand what that means, it's just like monthly payments. It's like a extra bonus salary, basically, which you just get for posting videos. Walk me through how you've actually secured these deals.
This is some sauce right here. A lot of people sleep on that because they just post content, get the commissions, and they think that's it. What we thought is just to reach out to these brands, even if we haven't made money for them yet, we can provide how much money we made. Hey, look, brand AYZ, we made such and such money for this brand. Can you give us a higher commission? Even brands gave us like 10%, 15% more commission just because we asked. If you're a good creator or if you made some money for a brand before, you can just ask the brand for higher commissions, which is most important. And then also, if you make the brand some money, you can just ask for a bonus or maybe just say, hey, can we work on a retainer base now? 20 videos for 1,000 piece or 20 videos for 2K. And you can kind of negotiate with them and get a deal for actually literally just you would have posted the videos for them either way. So you're just trying to secure a
Yes.
retainer deal for them. So
Yes.
yeah.
But it makes a lot of sense. So you basically have a few deals where you get paid like 1,000, 2,000 per month, no matter what, just for posting videos, even if they wouldn't go viral.
Yeah, basically. That's what we secure. We had like 3 retainers so far with the
Yeah.
ban situation. Obviously a little bit of steep in the negotiations and in all the
Of
brand
course.
deals, but
Yeah.
it is what it is.
In terms of having calls with a team and Pepe, etc., what was the most helpful for you guys?
Pepe's been some sauce.
Every call. The man.
Shout out Pepe at this point.
Yeah. For sure.
The best thing,
I guess like you said, Pepe. Huh?
yeah. I mean, all the stuff that we did is basically Pepe told us, yeah, reach out to brands, get higher commission, retainers, do this as well. What else?
Basically set us up from day one.
Yeah.
Do this. When we did the videos, he told us how we should do them, when we go viral, what we should do next. And just securing all these sauce parts from him was, I guess, the one of the best things ever because he just guided us through this all. And we always had a call with him every week, just checked up with him, and he told us, I bet we're in a good course. Let's do this, let's do that, try this. And then we did it. It worked. We optimized. So yeah, it was just constant back and forth. Having a mentor that's crushing it in the game is sauce. It's sauce.
Yes. Yeah, no, 100%. I think like what we've seen is obviously you guys have like a special situation because you make really good like UGC content in general. But a lot of people who don't have that, who are purely focused on AI content, with them, the advice gets even deeper because basically if you're just starting out and you have no idea what to do in general, the content, we can give you advice on how to make the videos, but with AI content, we can give you the prompts. It's like, okay, just take this
Mhm.
text and then copy it in here, and then take this video and then post it. It's very, very, very specific. So it gets even crazier with that. So this is kind of like the program is structured around that. And it's basically just having calls with us giving you the prompts, us giving you the ideas for the videos, us suggesting you products, the brands to work with, all of that. And for everyone watching right now, if you want to get started with us as well, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're gonna see if it's a good fit. So yeah, I mean that's that. And let's do next case study with TikTok Shop brand. TikTok Shop brand, 100K a
Yes,
month.
sir.